Celiac, gluten, irritable bowel syndrome, do they have any connection? What is celiac? What is gluten? Irritable bowel syndrome? Irritable bowel syndrome, the very name indicates what it is, which is irritation of the gastrointestinal tract. The gastrointestinal tract is a very interesting part of our body, and to understand what celiac is, to understand what the relation gluten has to it and irritable bowel syndrome, I want to begin this presentation by taking you on a journey through your gastrointestinal tract. It is a hollow tube. It is approximately 8 meters long. It is an external structure meaning anything that goes in there is not part of you or me until it gets broken down to tiny substances, then absorbed through the wall and into the blood, then it becomes part of you. The blood is often called the river of life. The Bible calls it the life of the flesh because the blood is the carrier. It's the carrier of nutrients all through the body. To the CBD, central business district of the human body, is the workings inside the cell. So let's have a look at the gastrointestinal tract. Let me define what I mean, first of all, by an external structure. This little coat that I have on now is not part of me, even though it is touching my skin. It will only become part of me if somehow it breaks down to tiny substances, gets absorbed through my pores into my blood, then it is part of me. And so the food that we eat, when it goes into our bodies, it does not become part of us until it gets broken down to tiny little substances, absorbed into the blood, then it becomes part of you or me. So let's begin. The mouth. Do you know that's the only part of our gastrointestinal tract that we have say over? And we have say over what goes in. We have say over how long it's in there. We have say over how often it goes in there. So we have say over what goes in. We choose the food that goes into our bodies. And the food that goes into our body has a direct relation on whether we have or we don't have celiac, or whether we have or don't have irritable bowel syndrome. Gluten is one of those foods. I will be defining that later.